This video is about mini truck stickers. Here are some stickers which are printed in our screen printing house with the custom design of our client. These stickers are made with white vinyl sticker stock. We have cut this sticker with special die cut technology and it is shine gloss laminated. You can have this type of stickers in any shape, color and size, and we can provide you free design. Just visit our website to place an order where you can chat live with our experts, and you can also call us on the number given on our website.